need some tips on where to go. I like a chip shop. Does anyone know a good chippy near here?
There's Scoffs over there. And I've said Scoffs twice now, so they're going to have to give me some free chips. That's Scoffs. They do something really special with them.
There are other brands.
What is it? What is it?
Now, I remember hearing about this last year, and I was trying to tell people they do something amazing. I feel like there's a battered something. What is it?
I don't know. Do they batter their chips? Other chip shops are available before anyone complains. And let's not forget the sausage sensation over there.
Could you explain what a sausage sensation is? Is that the name of somewhere? Oh, it is actually a place called the Sausage Sensation.
Fairy Flora, can I just ask, you say you're casting spells. Have you got a spell you could do? Is there a spell or some sort of magical thing you could do?
Well, the thing is, I'm a natural 100% plant-based fairy, you see, so yeah, I'm just plant-based and I've left my apple eye wand somewhere, so if anyone finds it, please hand it in at the desk. You know, I'm probably going to need that, but what I can do is make the Christmas lights turn on in about 2.5 minutes.
That'd be amazing.
So I better warm up those hands, you know. Yeah. Get ready. Yeah, get ready.
I do believe as well that Jade Kingdom's going to be here pressing our very big red button. Have we got the plug? Oh look, this is a technical process.
The big button. Here it comes.
Watch out for it.
Watch out, here comes the big button. Are we ready?
Right.
Okay, so please welcome to the stage the winner of the Point of Light Award. She's our local hero. She's raised over £30,000 for the North Devon Hospice. She is the first woman with Down syndrome to complete a sprint triathlon, and she's become a Guinness World Record holder.
Okay. Give us a thumbs up if you're ready, Jade. You ready to go? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Should we go from 10?
Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!
3 cheers for Jade. Hip hip.
Wow, that looks beautiful.